So I'm here today in a rather rainy Penrhyn Khyber to speak with council officers and a resident about the range of home efficiency measures that the council is involved with. The aim of the schemes are to make our homes more efficient, to save residents money and improve their well-being, and of course to help us meet our climate change targets. So how do residents feel about the scheme and what has the feedback been?
The feedback we've received from the council has been very positive from residents, very happy with the measures they've had in their homes. And we've got one resident that would like to give some feedback, so let's go and speak to them now.
What motivated you to be included in the scheme?
From a personal basis, cost savings, plus the environment.
How did you find the installation process?
Went very smoothly, no disturbance, no disruption. In and out, all left clean. Strongly recommended, strongly recommended.
As you can see from the homes we're surrounded by today, they are your traditional terraced homes, which is what is kind of replicated throughout RCT, and some of the issues with retrofitting energy measures to these homes can be due to the fact they have solid walls. But it's important that we look at measures for the existing housing stock, because projections have said that 80% of the housing stock that's in existence today will still exist in 2050. So if we are going to achieve any of the net zero or lower carbon targets, it's important that we look at schemes and measures for existing housing.
What else has the council been doing to address fuel poverty in a sustainable way?
So we provide a advice and assistance scheme called Heat and Save, which provides free impartial advice to residents on matters such as tariff switching and grants that are available. In addition to that, the council has also recently launched a heating grant for residents. So we have £100,000 available to pilot that as a heating grant to help RCT residents.